Hello and welcome to Seamless CRM. My name is Donald Page, and today I want to show you a little app that we are developing at the moment, which we have a working title of Seamless Email Linking for ACT. So essentially what this does is gives us the ability to, in a semi-automated way, link an email that is sent to an opportunity. So if I quickly just run through this now, and let's just create a test email which we are going to send here. So now we've done that, the little add-in that ACT has got with Outlook allows it to pick up those emails, and it will then write it directly into ACT itself. So if I refresh this now, here we can see this little thing has now popped up. Now if I do this, what you can see is just in the corner of your screen here, you will see we've now got a little pop-up that comes. It monitors and polls the history record of ACT, and when the email is brought in, it then comes up and says, okay, I've now got an email. It was an email that was sent to admin and inquiries, and you can see the nature of that. Now you can enlarge and reduce the size of these, but what we've got down the right hand side here, as you can see, is a list of the opportunities that we have, and you can filter them according to whether they're inactive, lost, won, etc. You can filter them by user. These are the opportunity users, so if I clicked on Carolyn Page, you can see that's not her. Works, but if I click on me, then you can see that. What we can also do is we can filter our emails based on them having been received after a certain period of time. Now if I wanted to, I could just ignore this email and not attach it to an opportunity, and that's quite straightforward. I can just press the ignore key, and then that has done that, and you'll see that that has now disappeared. If I just move this out of the way a second, so here's my email. Now you'll notice that there is a done information there. What that does is it gives us a little flag from a processing perspective, which you can undo if you so wanted to. And if you did that, then that email would then reappear on our pop-up window. Now obviously from a manual process, the way that ACT works at the moment is if you wanted to link to an opportunity, you would have to manually go to your selection here, choose your opportunities, and then all they would come in is they would come in there. But with us you don't have to. If I just close that back down now, you can see it's now there, and if I drag this back over and just do a refresh, you will see in just a minute that it comes back up again. So I can say, okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to link this to an opportunity and say, bang, let's go. If you had multiple emails, you can select them by using either the Control, the Shift key, standard Windows selection mechanisms, and then link those to a given opportunity. And so let's just add this to this opportunity. So there it goes. Let me close this down now. And if I now go in, you will see that it's linked to that opportunity if you wanted to. If you've made an error, as I said, you can always undo it and then redo it, and it will replace it with the correct opportunity if you want to. Currently, we don't have we haven't built it so that you can link it to multiple opportunities at the same time. But that wouldn't be a big job if you so wanted to do that. So obviously from this perspective here, if I went into plain sailing's opportunity, I would obviously see this opportunity and this email that's attached to it. And that essentially is what it does. So very simple, linking emails that come in that get recorded to the history to the opportunity of your choice. Finally, just to show you from a licensing perspective, I don't want seamless opportunities. What am I talking about? I want to go into here. From a licensing perspective, it's licensed by the number of users with a license key there as well. So this is a per PC install, and you license it for the number of PCs that you are going to use it for. It works on the database that is open, but obviously from a history perspective, when you set the email system up within ACT, it's pointing to one particular ACT database. So it will work with just the one ACT database. Okay, that's it. Let me know what you think. I'd appreciate your feedback. Is there any sense in launching this as another tool to add to your kit bag for when you're out with clients? Do let me know. We've written this specifically for a customer to their needs, but it could quite easily be turned into an off-the-shelf product for you folks to sell to your customers. Okay, do let me know. Cheers for now.